Yes, actually, Ayatollah Khamenei was in his office every day, and several times the security asked him to move from his office to another city, and he refused. He said, if you could move 90 million Iranians to another city, I will move after 90 million. Actually, obviously, they cannot do that. They asked him, we will provide you some basement to be safe for you. Said, if you could provide and build basement for all Iranian, yes, I'm ready also to be after 90 million. Actually, they couldn't do that for all Iranians, so he remained in his office, in his house, and in the morning, the aircraft of Zionist regime and America attacked his office. He, with his wife and his daughter-in-law and some of his nephew, passed away and martyred.
There is also news that the assassination of the Ahmadinejad, former president, is also happening. What's your first reaction?
Actually, they want to kill every official, Iranian officials, but they have to know that their blood will not stop the way, and their blood will bring a lot of other people, and they will shout out against Zionists, and they will remove them.
Now that the leader has been killed, the assassination attempt that has been made today, now how are things going to unfold for Iran?
Actually, now the situation in Iran is settled. It's very good. They are not facing any problem, and they want to bring justice in the regime. And it's very important. The Zionist regime doesn't want that only to attack Iran. After Iran, he will come to other countries. But unfortunately, maybe some people are very simple and they cannot understand the situation.
Thank you.